हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ ऋषभ। स्वागत है आपका। आज मैं आपको रेशनल नंबर पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। रेशनल नंबर स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको मालूम होना चाहिए नेचुरल नंबर क्या होता है। द ग्रुप्स ऑफ द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स विच आर काउंटेबल आर नोन एज नेचुरल नंबर्स। द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स विल बी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. What is whole numbers? The groups of natural numbers with inclusion of zero in it are known as whole numbers. The examples of whole numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means अगर हम नेचुरल नंबर में जीरो ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो हमारा होल नंबर्स हो जाता है। अब आते हैं इंटीजर्स पर। व्हाट इज इंटीजर्स? द ग्रुप्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स along with जीरो आर नोन एज इंटीजर्स। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव एंड जीरो इन सबको मिलाकर जो एक ग्रुप तैयार होता है उसको हम इंटीजर्स बोलते हैं। एग्जाम्पल -4, -5, -6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एट्सेट्रा। अब आपका आता है रेशनल नंबर्स। A number is called rational number if it can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is greater than 0. That means q is not equals to 0. It includes all natural whole numbers and integers. For example, 4 by 5. 4 by 5, it is a rational number. We can say that 0 is also a rational number. अब आता है रेशनल नंबर की प्रॉपर्टीज। रेशनल नंबर की फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है क्लोजर, सेकंड है कम्यूटेटिव, थर्ड है एसोसिएटिव, उसके बाद हम एडिटिव इनवर्स पढ़ेंगे और लास्ट में हम मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स पढ़ेंगे। तो फर्स्ट नंबर आता है हमारा क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी। व्हाट इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी? When any operation is performed between two or more rational numbers and their result is also a rational number, then we say that the rational numbers follow the closure property for that operation. For example, for addition, rational numbers are closed under addition. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a plus b is also a rational number. For example, 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, what we get? 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is a rational number. Next one is subtraction. For subtraction, rational numbers are closed under subtraction. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a minus b is also a rational number. For example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. What we get? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a rational number. For multiplication, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a into b is also a rational number. For example, 2 by 7 into 2 by 3. What we get? 4 by 21. 4 by 21 is a rational number. For division, for any rational number a divided by 0 is not defined. So rational numbers are not closed under division. Now moving on to commutative property. First one for addition. We check for addition. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. We say that addition is commutative for rational numbers. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. For example, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. We can also add like this, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. For subtraction, subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. That is, a minus b is not equals to b minus a. For example, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 is not equal to 1 by 7 minus 2 by 7. For multiplication, multiplication is commutative for rational number. In general, a into b equals to b into a for any two rational numbers a and b. For example, 5 by 9 into 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 into 5 by 9. For division, division is not commutative for rational numbers. Now moving on to next property, which is associative property. We just check for addition. Addition is associative for rational numbers. That is, for any three rational numbers a, b, c, a plus b plus c, that means we first add b plus c, then add a, is equal to a plus b plus c. We first add a plus b in the right hand side. Now moving on to subtraction. Subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. That is, a minus bracket b minus c bracket close is not equals to a minus b in the bracket minus c. For multiplication, multiplication is associative for rational numbers. That is, for any three rational numbers a, b and c, a into b into c, that means we first multiply b into c, then multiply by a, is equal to bracket a into b bracket close into c. For division, division is not associative for rational numbers. Next property is the role of 0. The role of 0, that means if we add 0 to any rational numbers, we get the rational numbers. That is, a is a whole numbers or any rational numbers. A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus a is equals to a. 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. It is the additive identity for rational numbers and whole numbers as well. The rule of 1. The rule of 1 is like this: if we multiply any rational number by 1, we get the rational numbers. That is, a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. Negative of a number. For an integer a, we have a plus minus a is equals to minus a plus a is equals to 0. So, a is the negative of minus a and minus a is the negative of a, which is called the additive inverse. Thank you.